House cleaning forums. Is there a benefit to joining house cleaning forums? We're going to answer that question today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, today's show is brought to us by housecleaning360.com. It's a 360 view of the perfect home. So if your business goes and services homes, this is for you. Now, we have a new feature that we just added, and it's snow blowing. Outside across the country, there's snow everywhere, and it's cold outside, and people don't want to get out and shovel their own walks. So there are people, they're students, some of them are retired, some of them are in between jobs, and they've set up these business fan pages where you can hire them, and they can come blow your snow, or they can shovel your snow and clean your walks. And there's one guy that somebody hired for all the rest of the year while there's snow, and they're like, we want to be the top of your list. When it snows, we want you to come to our house first. And they put a retainer on him so that he would be the first. Awesome, I know, right? So if you offer this service, go set your business up at housecleaning360.com. All right, on to today's session, which is about house cleaning forums. I got asked this question the other day. What is the benefit of belonging to house cleaning forums? Well, I am a fan of house cleaning forums for the fact that I feel that together we are better. A whole bunch of people's ideas are better than one. And if somebody's doing something quicker, faster, more efficient, if they're using a different set of solutions that's more effective, that does a better job, that's non-toxic, that's greener, that's more environmentally friendly, teach me. Teach me. I don't have all the answers. Teach me. And I don't know that anyone has all the answers. There are as many different ways of cleaning houses as there are people. And there are people that have found ways based on their particular situation to make whatever they have work. And I know that there are particular cleaning chemicals that I've heard rave reviews about, but they don't sell them in the United States. And there are rave reviews about cleaning products we sell in the United States that we don't sell in the UK. And so there are different places where different people have different ideas. So the benefit of forums is you get to hear all the different ideas from the different places, and then instead of claiming that somebody is right or wrong and shaming someone because they're right or wrong, it's kind of like walking down the aisle of a grocery store. There's a variety of different brands and a variety of different things. You can pick and choose which ones suit you best. And so as you go through the forum, if you hear an idea or you hear a strategy or you hear somebody saying, I would never do that, you can analyze that and say to yourself, would I never do that either for the same reasons? Or could I set myself apart by offering a service this house cleaner refuses to do? And so there are different ways you can figure out how to run your business based on all the different snippets and pieces of information that you garner. So forums are a great place for that because there are a lot of people who want to share their information. And so I belong to a Facebook group. Actually, there are a couple of Facebook groups. And every Facebook group has its own specific niche. And the beauty of that is this. There's one that's just kind of a hangout group. We just kind of chat. We talk about our day. We, nitpick things. We have great moments. We share celebrations. We share sadness. It's like friends. Friends hang out. Then there's another one that's really all about the business. It's all about pitching your service. When someone says, hey, what do? You get to pitch your service back. And I'll put links in the show notes to the different groups, and I'll make an explanation of what they are in case you decide you want to join. But one is a pitching group, and you get to pitch your best piece of software, your best idea, your best marketing idea. You get to express how your business operates. You get to explain about your team. You get to explain why you're better than the next person. And every day we ask you for a different call to action. So at the end of your pitch, you need to bring us back to your website, or you need to bring us back to your Facebook page, or you need to give us a business card and ask us to call you. And what that does is it's a training ground where you get to practice your pitch in front of a house cleaning forum. And now it's actually a little bit wider. The marketing one is a little bit wider in that we include carpet cleaners and pressure washers, and it's all of our friends from House Cleaning 360. And so they come together and we all pitch our different services. Here's the beauty of it. As the group grows, we get to know the members of the group a little bit better. So somebody says, hey, do you know anybody in New York that cleans houses? I'm like, I do. I know 43 people in New York City that I would recommend right now. I've never worked with them. So the recommendation is not based on me hiring them. It's based on me knowing them. and I know what kind of a person they are, and I know how thorough they are, and I know their character because we've spent a lot of time together in these online groups. So yes, let me give you the name of this guy and tell him I sent you. And so it's a recommendation from a friend because now I know this person because we spend a lot of time together. And there are people that, based on our interaction in the group, I would not recommend at all, ever. So you learn a lot about people and you learn about their characters. And that happens in online forums. Some of the dearest friends you will ever have in the house cleaning business will come from online forums. And one of the benefits of this is house cleaning is a solo sport. You are cleaning all day by yourself. You are in your own head, and maybe you have a podcast that you're listening to. But the beauty of it is when you get home at night and you turn on your computer, you don't even have to go anywhere. You can network with a whole bunch of people that know exactly what your day was like. And they can add their 2 cents. They can share ideas. They can help you troubleshoot a problem. They can help you through a problem with a customer. Online forums are great, especially house cleaning forums that are targeted to our specific niche. So yes, I'm a huge fan, and my recommendation is join one if you haven't already, because the opportunities that they will offer are far beyond what you're going to get on your own. Alrighty, that's my 2 cents for today, and we'll talk again soon. Until we do, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.